Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Swihauk 2PCS Slicker Brush and Comb. We found this grooming kit very effective for removing knots and loose hair, especially on thick, curly coats. The slicker brush works well on our Golden Doodle mix. The extra long, angled pins got under the thick fur to remove dead hair and mats without causing discomfort. We noticed less shedding around the house after regular use. The handle feels sturdy and fits nicely in the hand, which helped us brush longer sessions without tiring. The included stainless steel comb was useful for smoothing smaller tangles and gave a light scalp massage that our dogs seemed to enjoy. This two-piece set covered all our grooming needs for medium to large curly-coated dogs. While the brush size may be too big for very small breeds, it's great for Labradoodles, Poodles, and other doodles that need deep grooming. At number 4, we have the BioSilk eco-friendly detangling pin brush. This brush is a solid choice if you want an eco-friendly tool that gently detangles your dog's coat without hassle. Using the BioSilk detangling pin, brush felt smooth and pleasant on our dog's coat. The spiral flex bristles adjusted nicely to his curves, which helped reduce yanks and skin irritation. We liked how easy the handle was to hold during longer grooming sessions. It worked well on both dry and damp hair, making it convenient for post-bath grooming. Regular brushing with this tool helped keep loose hair under control and left a soft shine behind, which was noticeable after just a few sessions. While it handled mild tangles with ease, we found it less effective on tougher knots unless combined with extra detangling spray. Still, for daily brushing and lighter grooming needs, this brush was reliable and gentle on our pet. At number 3, we have the Ogwind 3-in-1 Grooming Kit. This grooming set works well for keeping our pets' coats clean and healthy with tools that cover all basic needs. We found the double-sided rake handy for loosening mats and trimming excess fur. It's not a magic wand, but makes tough knots easier to handle when used gently. The slicker brush cleans out loose hair quickly, and the retract button was a simple but useful feature. Bathing felt more enjoyable with the silicone handle brush. It massages the skin while scrubbing, and our dog stayed calm, which helped the whole process. The grip adjusted well enough for different hand sizes, but for some, it might feel a little small. Overall, this kit covers key grooming tasks without extra clutter. It's a solid choice for anyone wanting a practical solution for daily pet care. The 2-year warranty adds peace of mind if parts wear out or have issues. At number 2, we have the Maxpower Planet Grooming Rake. This grooming rake is a solid choice for anyone with long-haired pets who want to reduce shedding and remove mats with ease. We found the dual-sided brush really useful for both de-shedding and dematting our dog. The side with fewer teeth does a great job loosening mats without pulling hard, while the other side thins out loose hair smoothly. The handle fits nicely in the hand and doesn't slip, even when we groomed for a longer time. It feels light, which makes the whole process less tiring for us and more comfortable for our pets. Because it's made for thicker coats, it didn't work well on short-haired dogs. Using light, careful strokes was important to keep our pet from getting pinched. Overall, it made grooming quicker and kept fur from flying everywhere. At number 1, we have the Swihauk Slicker Brush. This brush is a solid choice for pet owners who want an easy way to reduce shedding without causing discomfort. We found that the self-cleaning function really speeds up grooming. After brushing, a simple press of the button pushes loose hair off the brush, which saves a lot of time. The handle feels lightweight but firm, helping us keep a good grip while brushing. The soft, plastic-tipped bristles made our pets comfortable and avoided any scratching. It worked well on both short and long hair, pulling out loose fur without pulling on the skin. Our dogs seemed to actually enjoy the gentle brushing sessions. Though effective, The brush is a bit bigger than we expected, so it can feel clunky at first. Still, its durable build and ease of cleaning make it a reliable tool for everyday grooming. For best results, it suits pet owners looking for something gentle but effective. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.